Ullapool is just down to the left, and this is the start of the walk. This is the view from the little siding that you can park the car. Loch Dubh, and the dam at the back. The track to the right of the dam, it comes from the far side of the road. That's a very short walk, and it walks all the way to the end of that peninsula across there. There's a small water bit there, but not today. This is just about a mile up the road from Ullapool. Sorry, caramel wafer, coffee. It's always. It's only about 2.5 miles, I think it's 3 miles at the most. It's not a hard walk, lots of water, lots of puddles. This morning it was really frosty. As a result, some of the puddles are really quite wide on the path. You'll probably see in the video I nearly slipped in one trying to get past it. But very, very cold this morning. It was 0 degrees at Ullapool, but when the sun came out, it's come out to about 5, I think it is just now. As you can see, quite pleasant, but it always is when you start walking, you get a bit hot. Anyway, so I've enjoyed this. This is my really first since, I think it's December the 6th. And that's due to the weather up here. It's been almost rain every day, apart from the snow days where we couldn't get across here. The fen was blocked with quite bad drifting snow and ice. Then high winds and rain, and high winds and rain. So it's supposed to be snow tonight. There is snow on the hills. I don't know if you can see in the picture. There's snow on the hills over there, and behind me there's snow on the hills over there. But it's a starting block for me again this year. Anyway, it doesn't have to be a long walk to enjoy it, and that's what I've done today. It's been enjoyable. Take my time, get the drone out for a change. It's my Mavic 3 this time. I've used the Mini 3 Pro the last couple of times I've been out. I need to bring the big one sometimes. The big one's better for places that have got fantastic views with mountains, because it gets really, really good photographs. Anyway, I'm going to get this, get that. Toodle off to Ullapool again after this, and go to the Cayley place, which I can recommend in Ullapool if someone's up here. At this time of day, I think it'll just be a meal, so it'll be soup and something else. So I'll see what they've got, and a cup of tea. I'll have this first though, and I've got another, an hour and a half or something to get down the road again to Ullapool, so it's not bad. Anyway, thanks for watching, take care, bye now.